In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Classroom header template in Canva. If you've ever uploaded a banner to Google Classroom and found it cropped weirdly or stretched, this quick walkthrough will make sure you start with the exact format that fits perfectly, so there's no guesswork. Begin on the main Canva dashboard. This is the home page you see after you sign in, where your recent designs and suggested formats appear. From here, go to the top left of the screen and click the Create button. This opens the design options and a search field that helps you jump straight to the right format without digging through menus. In the search bar, type the word Google. As you type, Canva shows format suggestions. Look for the option labeled Google Classroom Header. This is the key. Choosing this format gives you a canvas that's already sized for Google Classroom's banner space, so you won't need to resize or crop later. Selecting the correct format at the start saves time and ensures everything looks clean and professional once it's uploaded. Click Google Classroom Header, and Canva will open a new design in the right dimensions. You'll see a blank canvas sized for the banner, and on the left, a panel with a variety of ready-made header templates you can apply. Because you picked the dedicated format, every layout you see here is already a perfect fit for Google Classroom's display area. You can now use the template right away. Think of this as your safe starting point. Any background, image, or text you add will align with Google Classroom's banner space. For best results, keep important text and logos toward the center so they remain visible on different screens. Choose colors that match your class or school theme and keep text simple and readable. Short titles work better than long lines. Subtle backgrounds often look cleaner and prevent your class name from getting lost. If you're adding photos or graphics, keep them high resolution so they stay crisp. Avoid placing essential details near the edges, as banners can display slightly differently depending on device or window size. The format you selected is designed to minimize those issues, but centering key elements is a great practice. That's it. From the dashboard, click Create, search Google, select Google Classroom Header, and click it. You're now working in a perfectly sized template that's ready to use, design, and confidently upload to your class.